My name is Amanda Keeling. I'm 35 years old and I'm a media and comms consultant. I wanted to start by saying that I grew up on Sydney's North Shore. I went to a private girls' school there. I went through school, went through uni, have 2 postgrad degrees. I am the granddaughter of former Lord Mayor of Sydney, Sir Emmett McDermott. Pay taxes, I volunteer for my community every week, and I'm probably very similar to most of the women that you might know, except that I can't get married. The advantage for me personally in a change in the law in Australia that would allow me to marry someone of the same sex would mean that my relationship could be validated, that my love would be recognized as important, as real and as strong or as solid as another couple who might be a man and a woman. So for me personally, it would mean a lot in terms of validating my relationship, and I don't feel like a second-class citizen. I don't want a government or institutions to tell me that I am one. I think that it's a time for leadership in Australia. Australia has led the way previously in terms of the suffragette movement, a vote for women, in recognising Indigenous citizens and their right to vote. I feel like this is a chance for Australia to say, you know, this is not just a human right, but it's the right thing to do. So I feel like it's time for that. I think that the reason that there's negativity around the fact that we don't have same-sex marriage here in Australia, for me, at a government level, it's almost like it makes it okay to think about me differently. It's almost like it's okay for gay and lesbian students, LGBTQI students in high school to, you know, to feel like there's something wrong or that they're not equal to other students of their own age. It's almost like it validates the argument that we're different. And I don't really think that we're different. I'm on the board of Sydney Gay and Lesbian Mardi Gras, and also on the board of the Sydney Gay and Lesbian Business Association. And although I don't speak on behalf of those organisations today, I'm speaking for myself personally, but that those roles give me an idea of how support of same-sex marriage and a decision to change that law and recognise same-sex marriage would have immense ramifications across business, not only in the LGBTQI sector, but across a number of industries, travel, events, florists. There's a lot of benefits behind this that go way beyond the personal benefits to me. So there's economic imperatives to support this as well. I think that's another reason why it just doesn't make sense to not move forward on this. This is my submission to the Legal and Constitutional Affairs Committee into the Marriage Equality Amendment Bill 2010. I am asking you as elected representatives to consider supporting this and for making a change for the better in Australia, making me a proud Australian citizen. My name is Amanda Keeling.